Hey, welcome to my newest listing at 1623 Blakely Street in Northern Columbia, South Carolina. Let's go take a look at the property. Thank you so much for taking a look at this video. Let me know what you think of the property in the comments below. And if you like this property and want to learn more details about the listing price as well as see more photos, you can check the link down in the description. And if you're looking for a real estate agent who can sell your house for the most amount of money by doing marketing like this, give us a call here and we'd be happy to sell your home. My name is Shaun Nichols with eXp Realty, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye for now.